How to change download preferences in Google Play Store. This tutorial will show you how to change download preferences in Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings from the menu. Next, open Network Preferences. Here, tap on the App Download Preference option. You will see different download settings. You can choose over any network to download apps using both Wi-Fi and mobile data, over Wi-Fi only to download apps only when connected to Wi-Fi and save your mobile data. Ask me every time if you want Google Play Store to ask before downloading apps. After selecting your preferred option, after tap OK, the changes will be saved automatically. That's how you can easily change Google Play Store download preferences and control how apps are downloaded on your phone. Managing these settings helps you save mobile data, avoid unwanted downloads, and gives you more control over your app installations. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials, settings guides, and smartphone tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.